2-ish?
Day 3.
Day 3 for us.
Pre-day,
Well, that's 1, 2, 3.
and then day 1 and 2, second day. So did you guys get out of it today what you wanted? I got a lot of team stuff and a lot of adoption.
Teams, adoption, and Office 365.
Is that what you got today?
Yeah.
Okay.
My
lot
brain's
of
hurting
that.
a little bit.
How was the M365?
Pretty cool. One of the sessions I attended, top 10 features you didn't know existed. So talk about Extreme a little bit. Azure Privileged Identity Management, so you can actually do time-bound access for particular employees. Let's say hey, you're going on vacation for Thanksgiving. There's a job that you do normally that I'm picking up the slack while you're gone. So we can actually set boundaries on the rights that you're provided to do those whatever tasks, and then they go away when you get back, so we can schedule it. I thought that was pretty cool.
Hey, let me ask you a question though. They spoke about barriers yesterday within teams, right?
Information barriers.
What did you guys think about that?
It's pretty cool. I'm trying to wrap my head around a good use case. I guess if you were working for
Me too.
a company, basically, where
Me too. Yeah.
where let's say, for instance, you didn't want account managers to step on each other's toes, or a conflict of interest, maybe mergers and acquisitions, talking to your financial people or something.
I think they're talking about even between the departments and teams.
Right.
Correct. Where you can stop
So
it.
for
That's part of the
instance,
DLP.
We might be senior to someone else, and then that let's say the technicians don't have use or should not have access to certain information or communication, right?
Yeah.
So I'm thinking it's like the same like permissions, just like on the teams level.
Or what if you wanted your end user population not to go into contact your specific IT staff directly and force them to go through the help desk to get a resource? That's a potential use case for it.
Okay. So Jeff, what do you find interesting?
The DLP, where you can
Data loss prevention.
yep, where you can set up a parameter of keywords that you don't want transmitted back between finance department
Within
and
teams.
accounting within teams or within the environment itself, where they can't send out an email if it says Ignite in it. It'll block it and say, hey, you can't send out this email.
Including
So-
the social security numbers and
Yes,
credit card
whatever
numbers.
name or anything that you put in there is. I thought that was really neat. Thought it was really neat also that where you could take a picture of an Excel document or just a table and take a picture of it, and your Excel on your phone, if you have it installed on there, will import it into Excel.
Okay.
And it'll be able to be used. I thought that was really, that's pretty cool.
Did you guys play with the new Microsoft Edge browser?
I downloaded the beta, but I haven't used it yet. Actually, I did log into some things. I imported all my Chrome data over, but I haven't done too much with it yet.
Okay.
So I do
I
have
have
the beta
not
on my
yet
device.
either.
So it does import from Chrome.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So I downloaded the beta as well yesterday. I did open it up last night. I did sign into my Microsoft account. It's like a dashboard where I can see some of my SharePoint, I can see some of my OneDrive, and I can see some of my Office 365 docs. But I have not ventured on beyond that, but I have used it all day today to kind of see where the nuances.
I do like what they talked about the favorites in the actual on your page, on your home page,
Okay.
where it will show either your internet or your intranet sites that you've been to. I really like that idea. That's good, but it's a little weird to me though that they changed the logo
I kind
to
of like
look
it.
like Chrome.
And
You
this
know,
one,
they-
I don't like
Firefox,
like a blue
Firefox, that's what it
Firefox.
is. Yes, that's what it was. I
Yeah.
thought that was a little odd to change it to look like something that was
So
out
what you
there.
got
They're
coming up for the rest of the
rebranding.
week?
I'm trying to focus on Teams as much as I can, really. I'm trying to look at some dynamic stuff to potentially see if that could be of interest. But really focusing on Teams. Going back to Edge, did you see not to change gears on you, but did you see the demonstration where, and I don't know if there'd be a specific use case for enterprise or not, maybe logistics or procurement, but they were actually dragging and dropping items from like online shopping and compare prices across the web and then dump it out into Excel.
Yes.
I'm sure you can do other things with it.
Yes,
that
and
was,
then,
that was really cool.
and then you could send it to somebody
Yeah.
else too, and then you dropped it in Excel, and it would really that.
Okay, so it seems like to me Microsoft had to get kicked in the rear by Chrome and Firefox, where Chrome was the go-to, especially after IE went into the background when Edge was released, but Edge was missing all this compatibility, right? Sites and different web applications. So it seems like they got kicked in the rear by a Firefox, especially by Chrome. And they kind of got their stuff together and said, hey, you know what, we'll get them. And now they've redesigned Edge, which I heard about late last year, but now that it's released or now it's in this beta, it seems like it could be the one that rises to the top and stays number one for a while.
I texted you guys yesterday. I was like, this is the first time I've ever been excited to use Edge. It's kind of weird.
And the other thing
Other
about
than
it,
when you first got Windows 10, right?
well, the other thing about Edge too is that Microsoft said yesterday too in one of their meetings was that if you know it's backward compatible, and if your web app does not work, you need to let them know, and then they will make it work. They will fix it for free to make
Microsoft
it.
will.
Yeah, Microsoft will fix it for free to work in Edge.
So guaranteed perpetual compatibility.
Yes. Another thing I learned this morning too, which I might just show my insight into some stuff about the pilot user versus a champion user. So when I really didn't understand what the difference was until this morning, that pilot users just people that are early adopters that are just people that always they were always on the edge. They're not real big users. They're checking for bugs. They're doing anything like that. But the champion is the person that uses the product all the time.
The business user.
Yes, that are always, the evangelists. So that's what I thought was really neat to learn. You really need to be focusing on those people and the analytics that Microsoft Teams will let you know if that's what you're focused on. Is that these people here are your evangelists, that you need to have them help you. As I always say, help me, help you, help me.
I love it.
To understand and adopt Microsoft Teams or whatever product it is.
Yeah, so in wrapping up, I will say one of the biggest things that I took away the past 3 days is the analytics.
Yes.
The telemetry, all the data being reported back. Now, we haven't really got into a dashboard or any admin center to read that data, but I think it's something that's crucial that we really need to start doing.
Two other things I'd like to point out is that whatever. It goes to get some more swag. But the other thing was that they said that 76% of the data at most companies is not even analyzed. 76% of it. And the other one, I know it's a different topic, but they said when somebody gets distracted at work, it takes 25 minutes for them to get back on task. I just thought that was really weird. That it takes 25 minutes to get back.
Well, that's because you're always hyper focused, right?
Yeah, it's just that 25 minutes.
Extremely productive. YouTube